I got to feel like a true part of the Institute and not like a little kid that got brought around. It felt like you were doing stuff actively.
At first it was terrifying.
It made it more clear what I wanted to do after my degree.
Being able to work with such tenured scientists has really allowed me to expand my knowledge.
It was great to see how scientists work day to day. This was my first experience working like full-time in a science environment.
A lot of times in research and in labs and classrooms, it feels like the experimental design's been done for you. But whenever you're doing stuff here in this program, you are designing it as much as your mentor. I had really good communications with Dr. Hoffman as well as my mentor. For example, he was at a conference earlier in the summer, and even despite that, whenever we ran into difficulties, he was immediately able to help.
It made me discover a different academic pathway because I'm used to the European way.
Being in this program has really given me a firm grasp of like what doing a PhD is like. Makes me think that, oh, this is definitely an achievable goal.
It made me think of different ways I could go through to become a scientist.
If you know that you're interested in research and you know that's what you're going to do, or if you're someone like me, you're not really sure, you're just trying to figure out where you can see yourself in the science field, I think it's just a great experience for everybody.
I'll break the fourth wall, say, yeah, you guys should really apply.
You learn something every single day, and it feels like you learned something.
It's really worthwhile.